Okay guys, so isa na naman sa nilabas ni Bristol, walang iba kundi ang Sontes 400D. So ito ay naka single cylinder SOHC, so naka 4 valve, liquid cool, 400cc, may bore and stroke na 79mm by 81.7mm, may max power na 28.5 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM. Meron tayong max torque na 14 Nm at 6,000 RPM at 12 liters ang kanyang tank capacity. May wheelbase na 1405mm, may curb weight na 175 kg, may ground clearance na 150mm. So ito ay equipped ng ABS, traction control, TFT, Eco Sports Mode, naka TPMS. Ito may presyong 348,800 sa kanyang SRP at ang kanyang intro price ay 318,800 sa cash basis. Alright, so mabibili niya sa Bristol Motorcycle Imus, Cavite.